Oh, wow. Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I am doing fabulous today. I have some yarn mystery boxes and I'm so super stoked to open them. I love mystery boxes and I love to open them. Good or bad, I love to open them. So these particular mystery boxes that I have here are a Lion Brand mystery boxes. Now they did not come, okay, you know how Lion Brand usually, if you purchase from Lion Brand, they'll have mystery boxes every once in a while on their website, lionbrand.com, for $19.95. Well, they didn't come from there. They came from walmart.com. Lion Brand actually has a store on walmart.com as well as Amazon and as well as eBay. Anyways, they were on walmart.com's website online. So I was looking at yarn and I came across Lion Brand's mystery boxes from their store, $19.95. I think it said it came with 7 balls of yarn. And it had a little picture there of some, like a pound of love. I don't know if that's what you get or not, or if that was just an example, but I'm super stoked. So I got a few of them to open. So remember, these were not purchased on Lion Brand's website. They were purchased at walmart.com. If you go to walmart.com and you type in yarn mystery box, that should pop up. Lion Brands should pop up. And today is 4/20/2023. 4/20/2023. And it's 5:30 Central Standard Time. I don't know how long they'll last on the at walmart.com. I have no idea, but right now they still have them. But anyways, let's open this up and see what's inside the box. Actually, I got 4 of them. Now, the thing I noticed with Lion Brand is usually if you buy more than one, they're the same. But sometimes, just sometimes, just maybe, you'll get something different. That's what I learned with Lion Brand. But I don't care, because Lion Brand's mystery boxes are usually pretty good. Hopefully they are. I did notice that they have some clearance yarn that I hope's not in a box. I wasn't a big fan of it, but let's look. Oh, I'm so excited. So it came in this huge unnecessary box here, but hey, I can use it for a giveaway. And then inside is, I got four Lion Brand boxes. How exciting is this? This is so exciting. I'm sorry, I'm such a nerd with yarn. I can't help it. It's the mystery for me. It's not knowing what's inside. It did take about a week to get here. Here we go. What's inside of you, box? I knew it. It's some of that limited edition yarn. When I look, that's okay though. That's part of the mystery. Whenever I looked on Lion Brand, I'm like, because sometimes you can tell, like what they got on clearance and stuff. It's probably what's going to be in their mystery boxes. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope it's not that limited edition yarn. It is. Well, it's okay. That's okay. Not all of it is. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So, oh wow. So whenever I looked at walmart.com in the description box, it said it contained 7 balls of yarn. And usually whenever your Lion Brand mystery boxes, it contains 7 balls. There's like a pound of love. And then there's usually like 6 other, or yeah, 3 of 2 different other ones. But this looks like it has a lot. And the other ones that don't contain 7 usually contain 9. I'm probably just confusing you guys all right up. But anyways, this is pretty. This is the limited edition that I was talking about. And I'm like, I hope I don't get that. But you know what? Some of these weren't bad. So let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. Okay, so I got this one. This limited edition is a 4-weight, 100% acrylic. It's 186 yards of a medium. Did I say that? Medium weight number 4. Premium. It's okay. You know, this would work. It's a pretty color. It's like a really soft pink. This would work well for hats and stuff. I think. Or whatever. Blankets, you know, it's not that bad. Some of the colors were really bad, but this one's really not that bad. Nice. So I got 3 of those in this mystery box. Excellent. And then I got some more of it. A limited edition. Let's look at the color on this. I can't tell if it's black or navy. I like either color. Oh, it's black. So this is the same thing. I like the black and that creamy pink together. Ooh, I have an idea for that too. I have a beautiful stitch that I was thinking about doing a tutorial on. And it looks really excellent in 2 colors. I think this might work. Yes, I'm happy with that. So I like that. So I got 3 of those. And then I also got some Summer Nights. So if you're not familiar with Summer Nights, it's pretty thin. I don't usually use it because it's so thin, but it is a very pretty yarn. It's a beautiful blue. It's got sparkle in it, and it feels good. So the Summer Nights it's a 1 weight. Yikes. 437 yards or 400 meters. It's 82 acrylic, 18 polyester. I like it. It's soft and it's beautiful, but I won't keep this one. Probably don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know what I'll do with it. I got 3 of those in there. That's not it though. I got 12 balls of yarn in this box for $19.99. What a killer deal. Now, this one is Lion Brand Comfy Cotton. I love Comfy Cotton. I have a lot of tutorials using Comfy Cotton. I think it's a very nice soft yarn. So there's 3 cakes of this as well. I think this is the Chai Latte color. It is. Very pretty. I have a poncho made out of this. Tutorial for it. This is the exact color on my channel. It's 7 ounces, 200 grams, 392 yards. Now, they always classify this as a 3 weight. I always say it's a 4 weight, but whatever you guys think there. And there are, what is it? It's polyester, 50-50 polyester cotton blend. I like this one. I'll probably keep this. Or a couple of them anyways. 2 will be enough to make something for me. But that is beautiful. I love it. It's so soft. I've always liked their Comfy Cotton. It always, it used to come in on my top 10 of like big box store yarns, you know. There's that. What an excellent deal for $19.95. Well, let's see if they're all the same or not. Want to? Now, I don't know if you guys go and buy these off Walmart.com. Remember, it's coming from Lion Brand. It's their store online. It's their store on there. I don't know if it's going to be the same. Remember, they're the mystery boxes. I don't know if you're going to get what I'll get, what I got, but. And I don't even think I ordered it in my name, to tell you the truth. Let me look. Sometimes I don't order things in my name. Oh, it's in my husband's name. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this box, the box number 2 is the same as box number 1. But still, I think that is a very good deal. 12 balls for $19.95. I really like the Comfy Cotton a lot. Man, if they're all the same, I'll have enough of that to make a big blanket. Nice. I'm happy with it. Even though I really was saying I hope I don't get that limited edition yarn. And then I got it. That's okay. It's okay. Now remember, this is probably going to be the same, but there's always that maybe, just maybe, it could be different. It doesn't matter though to me if they're all the same or if they're all different. Mystery boxes are fun, regardless. It is the same. All right, so I got 3 more balls of the same color Comfy Cotton. 3 more balls of the Summer Nights. I know a lot of people say I could double that up and stuff, but I usually don't double my yarn. I'm not a huge fan of doing that unless I really like the yarn. I'll do that. I don't know. We'll see. Another, I am going to use, though, I got 1 more mystery box. I am going to use one of these black ones and one of these creamy, it's like a creamy pink. But this says neutral. I guess it's just, I don't know what it is. Anyways, I am going to make, I know exactly what I'm going to make. I'm only going to need 1 of each, but yes, it's going to be beautiful. maybe I'll do that after I'm done here. I'll get that done. It won't take me very long to do it. Okay, one left. What's inside the box? Probably the same stuff, but that's okay. Because it's still fun anyway. Oh, close my eyes. And pretend that it's something different. It's the same, but different. Does that make sense? I got different colors of a couple. Okay, so I did get the same color of the Comfy Cotton, so I got 12 of those now. Wow. I won't keep all those. I only want 2. And I got 12 of these. Definitely can make something out of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then on the limited edition, I got these in my last box. This time I got these 2 limited editions. And the colors are, let's see, are they, okay, this is the same as the, no it's not, it's different. It's a different color. Let's open it up and see what we got. Limited edition. Yep, it's a different color than the other one. You see it's more stone colored. Now you can really see that that is pink, can't you? Or tan, or whatever you want to call it. Pinkish tan. And then I got this one. Is it the same? I don't know. Can only tell if you hold them up because they're so close in color. Nope. That one's even more white. So here's the 3 of those I got, like, within my boxes. Oh, and the black. So those are my colors of my, you know, none of these feel really bad. Nice. So, in the last box, I got 3 cakes of the Comfy Cotton, 3 of the Summer Nights, 3 of this color, and 3 of this color for a total of 12. Those aren't the same. They are a little different. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, you can see it. For a total of 12. Hey, I couldn't ask for anything better. It was a good deal, and my last box contained different colors. So, how much fun that was. I enjoyed myself, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video too. Remember, these I found and I purchased at Walmart.com. You just go there into the search bar and type in yarn mystery box, and Lion Brands pops up. So this is what was in mine. I don't know what if you decide to get it. I don't know what will be in yours, but you can always show me if you do get them. Show me a picture on my Facebook page. There's a link to that below in the description box. Also, don't forget about my over 1,000 crochet tutorials. They're all free for you to enjoy. Do whatever you want with those, and I will see you guys on my next video. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.